Hello guys and welcome back to Jurassic Park Lego. Yeah.
That part, last time when the Teen Rex did the flame thing, it was so funny.
Last video?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
You're nice.
oh. Wait, what do we have to do? I never said anything. Wait, what? What do we have to do? What the? What just hurt me? Wait, what the? What is that?
Mossy.
That's not a Velociraptor. What is that?
It's a Velociraptor.
No, it's not. No, no.
I know
No,
you're
no,
good at
no, no.
fighting.
Ugh, I need you.
Oh,
I got a cough. Yeah. What the heck? You're like, I don't know why I went in there. I just went in there for some reason. And apparently we have him. Yeah. 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 There we go.
Yeah.
Woohoo. Oh, what? I need you. Oh, yeah. No. No, you. I said no, you. Please stop. Yes. Yay, let's make whatever we have to make. Sure. Wait, what the? Oh.
That was weird.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
Good
Follow
job.
me. Right? You follow me.
I got
Come on, dude.
in the back.
Yeah, follow me.
Oh, that's little Timmy.
Ow.
Ah. Oh.
Yay. Now turn into him.
Now go on that thing.
Yeah. Ooh.
Run as fast as you can.
Dun 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 dun.
Bum, 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 Wait.
What?
How do you do that?
There we go. Come on, little Timmy. Little Timmy?
Little Timmy.
Timmy, where'd you go? Timmy, follow me. Up here. Up here, Timmy.
How about you be Timmy?
Okay.
Ba 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 da ba. Little Mimi.
No, you.
Come back here.
No, you.
Little Mimi, come back here. Where are they coming
Ow.
from?
Ow, they're coming from that little cave.
Oh, let's show her mean. Die!
No! I killed... It kind of died. Somehow. I don't know how that worked. Yeah. Wait. I need to be
Rawr.
this little dude, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, you have a gun.
Boom.
Nice aim.
Ow!
Oh!
I thought I was about to die.
Oh, from last video, that was a flinger. You remember?
That had to be delayed because they couldn't hear us. When I looked
no,
at the
that's
video.
more like a smasher.
Smasher?
Yeah, it's
Kind
a
of.
smasher.
Yeah. It has a hammer on it. Oh, no, that's not a hammer. That's an axe.
Which hit the ground for no reason. I don't know why an axe would hit the ground.
Woohoo! Yay! Ooh! Ooh!
Oh.
Ooh! Oh, what? Wait, how did... Wait,
Where'd
where'd little Timmy go? Did she turn into little Timmy? Or did little Timmy turn into her?
Little Timmy? Or did little Timmy turn into little Timmy?
What? She's like, I don't know why. I just jumped into poop right there. Like,
I don't think that's poop.
what do you mean? That's poop right there? I'm touching it right now. That's poop right there? That's poop? That's poop?
Your poop.
Oh.
Yay! Oh,
It's a Stegosauruso.
it's a Megiomorgo.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what we just got right there.
A check.
Check mark.
She
What
was
does that
like,
mean? Stop it.
Hamiano.
I need you. Stop it.
Die, die.
Ah, you drowned. Ow! Stop it.
Die.
Thank you for dying. I need that.
Why do you want to guys want to die? They're nice. But not this time, so
Yay.
we'll kill you.
Yay. Let's take a picture.
No, I don't want to take the picture.
Yay.
Wait, what? How do you get there?
Yay.
Never thought in a million years that I'm gonna get you to come here. Hi, Addie.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Addie.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hi, Sarah.
Fire! Fire! Right there!
My arm!
Fire. There's a fire.
No, there's not.
No, water makes smoke billow. Use dirt.
Who's starting a fire?
I just wanted to make dinner.
I just wanted to
Wanted
make
ready when you
dinner.
guys got back.
Kelly, you have no idea.
Lock her up.
Eddie? What?
Oh.
A washing machine? What the heck?
It says engine on the side of that chopper. I don't get that. Why would Hammond said
Why would he
poutine?
axe the hot dogs?
Yeah, why would he send 2 teams?
Are you
I think I need a cough drop.
doctor?
Maybe. I don't know. Okay, I need a cough drop. So, you can just, like, do that.
What's cough drop in your life?
Okay. You do that level, I guess.
This level?
Yeah, that level.
Wait, what? I just went
No,
on
that-
to... okay, put on your headphones. I'm trying to get on what's the headphones?
Might show up. He did send a backup plan.
What's that?
Me?
Yeah, it's definitely a Stegosaurus. Yeah. No, die. Get out of here.
Sam,
Yeah?
you have a cough?
No.
I'm not an idiot. I think I know how to move a spotlight. I mean, basically
Okay.
my only job. Look, are you gonna move the spotlight or not? Well, I don't know. I mean, I guess if there's a reason to, I will. I'm sure someone will tell me if there is, though. Sheesh, what kind of stupid question is that? I'm not a fortune teller. When I get in trouble if I shot him with a tranquilizer gun?
Okay. Mystery. Ew. Okay. Ew. Why'd you get... Wait, what was that?
What's going on down there? Someone's left a Pachycephalosaurus out!
Yeah, someone just did. Try to get Spot, or you die! Die! No, die! Die!
Wow.
Oh, okay, dig into the dirt.
Talk more to them.
Oh, an ice cream cone!
Ooh, yay, we got an ice cream cone. What was that? Is there fire?
I don't know.
I
Yay.
want a banana. Give me a banana.
Don't get a banana.
Oh, you need him. Mm. Mm.
Jacket.
Yeah, you got it.
Ah, fire.
Oh, it's just
Mushroom.
cooking a mushroom.
No. Ooh, what's this doing here? I'll fix that now. What's this dude? Oh, no.
Maybe hit it.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
What the?
I wanna play.
What?
Oh. Why can't I play?
Meow.
Oh,
Okay,
why do you
hit
fall
this.
asleep?
Really?
Oh, I guess you have to build something?
Mm-hmm.
And now go over there with the fire and you're probably gonna die.
Oh, this way.
Yay.
Let's get this.
Wait.
I want a banana.
No, you don't
Give
get
me
a
the
banana.
banana
Well,
gun.
you don't get a banana.
You don't get a banana gun. Stop asking for one. What's this?
Obvious, what is a banana gun?
What is a banana gun?
Oof, 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 oof. Keep on hitting it, baby. Nice.
Yeah.
Now
What
pound,
does that do?
pound. A banana!
Where?
Banana! That way! Duba
Well,
yaba yaba.
Okay, where do I go?
Duba yaba.
Eh?
Yaba yaba.
Oh, there's a banana.
Oh, it's that one level when we try to do Xbox. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
But instead of the level you told me to go on, it wanted me to go on this level. So.
And that level was actually in Jurassic Park, not the Lost World. Oh, shoot, what the? I didn't even realize you. Get out of my way.
Yeah,
Ah!
I fight better than you. When I was the girl and I fought, I got fought with, and I
It doesn't
got
matter.
no health. No health. Get this
Ow.
stupid Stegosaurus.
Come over here, man.
The bump head.
Come over here.
Yeah, see, he actually has a bump head.
Wait, what? Bye, y'all.
How banana, banana, banana,
What?
banana.
Where?
In my butt.
I already got a banana. What? I didn't mean to
A
hit that.
banana's in my butt.
No, don't ever say that.
Okay. Hello, guys.
Boom.
It's an F. Why do you say F?
Yeah, let's build this. Build,
Yeah,
build,
let's
build, build, build.
build,
Inside the
build.
inside the Pachycephalosaurus.
What? How are you going to get the Pachycephalosaurus up there?
I don't know.
We don't even need it up there. We don't need it up there, real.
I'm trying. I can't get up.
You know, last time we didn't even need it.
Ah, I can't get up.
Then use the stupid stairs.
I am.
Then move around with the spaghetti sound. Make him go somewhere else.
I can't. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, well,
Okay, what's up, guys?
No.
We're just gonna play a game called
really?
Rock.
What?
Be anyone else on the
Okay, well, I'm leaving this island. Okay, bye. If you really don't want me to go, like, be here, I'll leave for you. Okay, bye. Should you get these dinosaurs out? If you can, like, let me? You're not letting me. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! I said stop it! I said stop it! Haha, you dead. You dead. You dead. You dead. There's a fire. Let's cut this. Let's cut
Almost thought he was cutting
this.
it with a banana.
Oh, what the?
Remember last episode I saw he was cutting it with a banana too?
Oh, yeah.
Seggy away. He was cutting it with a banana.
I need a girl for this.
A girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Be a
I can't
girl.
jump.
Be
You.
a girl. A mangy.
Oh, yay.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
What the?
Have a nice die for you today.
I'm inside it. Oh, no. I'll be right back. No, it's not. Okay. There we go.
Hello, guys.
Well, we don't have to keep saying that every time we unpause it.
Okay.
Just finished my cough drop.
Come on, the Bigosaurus has escaped. Seriously, learn their names, man.
Yeah, Roo has a cough.
Ow.
So,
Stop it.
yeah, stop so much.
Stop it. Ugh. Whee! I'm gonna break all y'all. Ow, that hurt. Haha, I stepped on you. I'm gonna step on you again. Haha.
You should be dead. Ow, just hit it. Just hit it. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I hit it with my tail. We got the little baby out. Yay! Now let's ride off into the sunset.
I hate the baby.
Oh my gosh, why are you shooting them? Oh my gosh.
Wait, where's the baby dinosaur? Oh,
I see a
there.
Triceratops.
Oh yeah, the Triceratops.
What's in here? Is there anything?
The Triceratops from that show.
Anything? Nope, there's nothing in there.
There's nothing to die.
What?
There's nothing to die.
What?
Yeah, there's
Oh, I got a
nothing
coin.
to die. What?
I got a
What's
coin.
that door? That was not our door.
I'm pretty sure it was.
Not.
Yes. Was. Stop saying not. I need you.
Okay, now
Yeah.
die.
There you go. Let's cut. I need a key for that.
Well, you don't get a key.
Of course, those
Oh,
particular
go now.
dinosaurs have a habit of
Go in the
heading
tent.
anything that moves.
Go in the party
Same
tent.
is true of
I
goats.
don't want to. I need to find a key. Stop trying to punch me. Stop trying to punch me.
Electrocute him. Ooh, but you're supposed
Yeah,
to go
that's what
in
you
there.
get.
You're supposed to go in there. You're supposed to go in there.
Whee! You got
Ew.
anything?
Disgusting.
I saw a chicken leg.
Wait, a chicken leg?
I saw a cup. Oh, there's a key.
Thanks to their long necks
Is that a rat?
and as
That
their
is
herbivores,
Ooh.
they're extremely unlikely to eat any of the visitors.
Eee, a visitor.
They're not.
Well within our safety.
That's what it said.
That's weird. Why would anyone do that? Mr. Whoever was talking.
Daniel.
That you weren't talking.
No.
Triceratops ringtone. Hey, get away from me. You can't be around me just because you want to fight me. You can't fight me, boy. I'm too. Are you sleeping? Wake up! Wake up! Okay, stop.
Okay.
What?
Ha ba ba ya ba.
Let me be the treasure. Why can't I
Arr,
be?
arr,
Why can't I be? I can't be the Triceratops.
Be a
Let
part-
me be the Triceratops.
move Triceratops. Don't
Why?
move. No.
You can see it. The screen.
Wait.
Why?
It was Triceratops. That
I know.
was you.
My gosh. What's up with you? Let me be my dinosaur. Thank you. What? Let me be the dinosaur. Why can't I be the dinosaur?
Stupid tablet. No, okay, no. Stupid Triceratops.
No, this is a stupid game. Oh my gosh. We'll be right
Oh.
back. I finally got it. Ha! Now let's do it to this side.
To tell you just how exciting our ghost train will be. I suppose all
Wait,
of the
what ghost train? Oh, it's from right there.
Well, if you were
He's right
stuck
there.
being the Triceratops.
That'd be sad. Ooh, yay. Yeah, he's talking right there.
Open
What's
the
happening?
gates.
one might say it'd be up and running.
No, it won't. You will be dead. Oh my gosh.
He's got a broken leg. Let's get in the car before they hear us.
Out of your mind? Do you have any idea?
An actual broken leg.
You're nuts.
Wait, an actual broken leg?
An actual broken leg.
Wait, what?
Yeah, mommy is very angry. Oh, and daddy. Oh, what are they doing? Okay, what?
Part from last
Oh my
video.
gosh, what is happening?
From last
what the-
video.
Okay. What? Well, that ended very weirdly. On to the next one, Mobile Lab.
Yeah, mobile lab.
That's what this one's called.
Can I play this one?
Maybe, I don't know.
Now
What's she have on?
A pot, I think.
And the glasses?
Communication equipment's been destroyed.
Oh,
We're
bye.
stuck here, ladies and gentlemen, and stuck together thanks to you people.
At least we came prepared. There's a communications center here in the old operations building. If we can get here and send a radio call for the airlift.
No, there isn't. Oh my god.
It's my teddy bear, mister.
Wait, who's teddy bear?
The guy that pushed him into the ground.
Remember?
Anyways,